Now we are going to look at the receipt voucher transaction. The shortcut key for the receipt voucher F6. If you're going to be look at if you click receipt, the receipt voucher it will be activate. Otherwise with the keyboard F6 key, the receipt voucher it will be activated. So now I click receipt voucher. So then I'm going to be go to the question. So the first one, additional capital received from the owner 150,000. so if additional capital received by cash account debit 150,000, the capital account increase, so it will be credit 150,000. so this is a transaction. So the first, what is the credit? The capital. So the capital account we have already created, so it's a 150,000. Then cash account debit 150,000. so the narration is being capital received, being additional capital received 150,000. so now I'm going to be type here being additional capital received 150,000, then accept yes. So the next one, commission received 3,000. so if we receive the commission, cash account debit and commission received account credit. So first we have to create the commission received account, that's a credit. So first go to the tally, and there is no commission received account into the list, we have to create that. So old plus C, the ledger creation will be appear. So then I am going to create the commission received. So then it is one of the indirect income, so I am going to be choose indirect income, then yes. So the how much it's 3,000, so I'm going to be type 3,000. then what will happen? The cash account increase, so cash account debit 3,000. the narration is commission received 3,000. then enter yes. So the next one, received cash from Ramu company 50,000, bill number 1221. it's a Ramu company, we have already have 100,000, so he give us 50,000, it's a part of money. So cash account, if we receive the money from the Ramu is the debtors. If we receive the money, cash account debit and Ramu company account credit 50,000. so how can we record into the tally? So the credit is Ramu account, so we need to be type Ramu. So Ramu account have, so then how much is it? 50,000. Ramu account against reference yes 1221, then 50,000 we received. So then debit is cash account debit, he give the cash, so cash account debit 50,000. the narration is being received cash from Ramu company 50,000. so type here and enter accept. So the next one, rent received 7,000. so we have to create the rent account. If we receive the rent 7,000, cash account debit and rent received account credit. So first credit we have to enter, so we have to create first the ledger rent received. So I'm going to be press alt plus C, I'm going to be type rent received, it is indirect income, rent received, how much? This one, rent received 7,000, then cash account debit 7,000. So the narration is rent received 7,000, being rent received 7,000. So I'm going to be type here being rent received 7,000, then accept. So receipt voucher finish. Now we are going to look at the journal voucher. The journal voucher shortcut key is F7. If you press the F7 key, the journal voucher it will be activated. So now we are going to look at the first transaction. Depreciation of machineries 10,000. Company policy deduct from machineries account. So sometime the company allocated or transfer this depreciation to accumulated depreciation account, but this company is directly deducted from the machineries account. So now how can we create this journal? First we have to know what is the double entry. If it is depreciation of machinery is 10,000, machinery depreciation account debit 10,000 and machineries account credit 10,000. So first we have to go to the tally. Now we have to be choose the journal voucher. If you press the F7 key, the journal voucher it will activate it. So the first we have to be type here machineries depreciation account, but here is there is no machineries depreciation account, so we have to create the ledger. So Alt plus C I'm going to be press, then I'm going to be created the machineries depreciation account. So I'm going to create here machinery depreciation. It is come under the indirect expenses. The amount is 10,000. So the second one is credit is machineries account. So machineries we have to be choose 10,000. The narration is being machineries depreciation 10,000. So now I'm going to be put the narration 10,000, then enter. So the second voucher, the second journal voucher is outstanding salary 1,500. Outstanding mean due, this amount is due, we have to be paid. So this is one of the current liability. So the salary account debit 1,500 and outstanding salary account credit 1,500. So now we have to be debit. What is the debit? Salary account. We have a salary account, so we have to choose the salary account. How much that one? Salary account debit 1,500, but outstanding salary we don't have, we have to create it. So Alt plus C, outstanding salary, salary. Outstanding salary is a one of current liability because we have to be paid within 1 year. So current liability, yes. So 1,500. The narration is being outstanding salary 1,500. So we have to be type here or being outstanding salary 1,500, then accept yes. So the next one, outstanding electricity 2,000. So if we need to be paid the electricity, it's one of the current liability, so that's what the outstanding electricity is credit. So first we have to create these two accounts. So the debit is electricity account, but there is no electricity account in the ledger, so we have to create Alt plus C. So we have to be create electricity account. So we can create the electricity account. It is coming under the indirect expenses. So the how much it's 2000. Then outstanding electricity account credit. So Alt plus C, because we don't have outstanding electricity account, we have to be created outstanding electricity. It is one of the current liability, so we have to choose the current liability. Then how much this one? 2000, right? Yes, 2000. So the narration is being outstanding electricity 2000. Then accept yes. So the next one, prepaid discount allowed 500. Prepaid discount allowed 500. So the prepaid discount is one of the asset. It's a current asset. We have advance give for the expenses. So prepaid discount allowed account debit 500 and discount allowed account credit 500. So first we have to be enter the debit. So debit is prepaid discount allowed account. We have to create prepaid discount allowed account. So I'm going to create the prepaid discount allowed account. It is one of the current asset. How much this one? 500. And discount allowed, discount account we have already. Case discount allowed account we have already created. That amount is 500. So the narration is, being prepaid discount allowed 500. So we have to be put here the narration being prepaid discount allowed 500. Then accept yes. So now journal vouchers finish.